बॉलीवुड एक्शन स्टार सनी देओल, जिसके 2.5 किलो के हाथ ने 80s एंड 90s में काफी धमाल मचाया था, is all set to roar again with घायल once again. This movie is a sequel to 90s blockbuster घायल, and this time Sunny Paji is back not only as Ajay Mehra, but he has also written and directed this film. Well, जहां घायल once again का ट्रेलर लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है, वहीं सनी पाजी shared the idea behind coming up with the sequel.
देखिए, मैं घायल बनाना चाहता था शुरू में ही जब मैंने फिल्म बनाई थी, और क्योंकि उस वक्त मैं ये जैसी हॉलीवुड फिल्में थी, लीथल वेपन्स एंड रॉकीज एंड रैम्बोज, उनके पार्ट 1, 2 बन रहे थे। मैं सोचा मेरी फिल्म का भी मैं उस कैरेक्टर को अच्छा होगा, उसको आगे लेके जाऊंगा। तो मैं चाह रहा था तब से ही, बट समहाउ उस वक्त ये फैशन नहीं था और राज भी नहीं करना चाह रहा था उस वक्त, तो फिर बात गई।
तब जमाना नहीं था, लेकिन जब सीक्वल का ट्रेंड शुरू हुआ, सनी देओल वाज वार्न्ड बाय हिज फ्रेंड्स नॉट टू टच द ओरिजिनल घायल।
हाँ, जब मैंने सोचा इसके बारे में, तब मुझे कितने लोगों ने कहा क्यों कर रहा है, वो इतनी अच्छी फिल्म है, इट्स एन आइकॉनिक फिल्म, व्हाई यू स्पॉइलिंग आवर टेस्ट, मत कर, लोग फैंस को नहीं अच्छा लगेगा।
Well, even after such reaction, he followed his guts and fulfilled his vision. Ghayal Deol left no stone unturned during the making of this film. Maybe that's why he signed Hollywood action director Dan Bradley for all the stunts and dishum dishum.
He's done the kind of cinema is something which I wanted to bring across in my film. जो मेरे sequences हैं, because मेरी फिल्म का action is a screenplay, part of the screenplay. तो जो मैंने पूरा बनाया हुआ था, and उसे relate करने के लिए I needed somebody who would understand that. So Dan Bradley was my first choice, and I was fortunate enough to have him because he was available during that time, and I narrated him the idea and he loved it, and we've done a great job as a team in this film.
This movie reprises original cast like Sunny Deol and Om Puri, but Meenakshi Seshadri के रोल का क्या हुआ?
Definitely she is there, but Meenakshi ji herself is not there in the film, but definitely उनके connection है इस film में।
जहां 90s की घायल में वेटरन अमरीश पुरी was the baddie drug lord बलवंत राय, घायल once again में नरेंद्र झा is the baddie राज बंसल. नरेंद्र झा looks promising as villain, but this action star misses the iconic villain Amrish Puri.
Amrish ji has always been the part of me because इतनी सारी फिल्में हमने इकट्ठे की हैं, और I've known him so close and so personal. He was a wonderful man. I don't think anybody can be Amrish ji.
Sunny Paji and Amrish Puri did several films together. कभी हीरो विलन बन के तो कभी बाप बेटे बन के. But Sunny, do you think that his demise has affected Bollywood?
Obviously, I mean, when an actor of his caliber is not around, it does make a lot of difference.
After bringing the sequel to घायल, ऐसी कौन सी मूवी है जिसका आप सबसे पहले सीक्वल बनाएंगे?
I always wanted to bring in Betab.
जहां Sunny wishes to make a sequel of his debut Betab, this year he will also launch his son Karan Deol. Sunny Deol has plans for him, and he himself will direct Junior Deol. तो आइए पाजी से जानते हैं कि कैसे करेंगे करण डेब्यू बॉलीवुड में।
Definitely it won't be where I'm going to be showing my son showing 6 packs or something like that. None of those, none of that, because I don't think my subject would be requiring all that. It will be like how my Betab was, and like the films we have done, very earthy, because I believe in the earthiness.
Well, we the team of Book My Show wish you and your vision all the best, and we hope that people will get the real dose of action and paisa vasool entertainment with Ghayal once again.